The following segment is sponsored by Kneaders Bakery and Cafe. Fall is here, and you know what that means. Pumpkin spice. Amy is here from Kneaders. Thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, we're so excited. We're excited to bring pumpkin bread to y'all today.
We just became best friends because one of the main things about me is I've got a deep love for pumpkin, if you didn't know this already, and I cannot wait for fall. So what are we making here?
Yeah, we have a very simple recipe to put together that highlights our pumpkin bread that's back inside our stores. So we have 2 loaves of our pumpkin bread, and I've already just cubed it, cut it into cubes. And we're gonna just add some vanilla pudding.
Okay.
And to the vanilla pudding, we're gonna add our brown sugar. It's a half a cup
so
of brown
far
sugar.
I feel like I can do this. There's been no baking yet, so this is good.
It's so simple. I had teenagers making this the other day, so super simple. It tastes like you've been in the kitchen all day and you haven't.
Oh, see, that's the best way. Nobody knows that you didn't make the pumpkin bread here, all right? All they know is that this is delicious.
And I added 1/3 of a teaspoon of cinnamon to that as well. And we're just gonna mix this around here, and we're gonna start layering our trifle together.
Yummy. So you put the base in first with the cubed pumpkin.
Yes,
okay, step 1.
And then I'm just going to get this incorporated really quickly.
Okay, look at that.
And then we will just start dishing. So we're going to do you want to help dish here?
I will help
dish. So half
dish.
of this goes in here, and then I will get some of our Cool Whip on top of it.
And you can't do this wrong, right? Because I have been known to mess up a cooking segment or two, all right?
Your 2-year-old, I think, could help you do this.
Oh,
it would be fun.
Okay.
Yeah,
honestly, I think she has more skills in the kitchen than I do sometimes. So that's about half of it.
This is a good recipe for us. And then we're going to top half of, once you have half that in, you're going to put half of your Cool Whip right on top of it. And then we're going to start again with our layers. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put some more of our pumpkin bread on top of it.
And you can just keep building and building. And as we're layering, let's talk about your fundraiser, because this is huge.
It is. It's awesome. So each of our locations has partnered with a school that's local to them, elementary schools through high school. And tonight, between 5 and 8 o'clock, if you go eat at our stores, 50% of the money that is brought in during that time goes to that school.
50%. That is huge. That's unheard of. And you already want to be eating. Let's be honest. Their food is so good at Kneaders. I have never had something that I didn't like, and I always end up wanting to order more and more and more.
That's
now this is a twofer, because you're giving back at the same time.
And our schools need it right now. So allowing some more funds for people to do these fun after-school activities. Our schools were hit hard during this hard time, and we're really excited to give back and bring our community back into our stores and to celebrate with them.
And all you have to do is show up and eat. This is really the best way for you to give back.
Yeah.
Right?
So, and then here we just put the rest of the pudding back on top, and we're going to top it with the whipped cream.
Okay. And don't be stingy with that, right? I think really go for it.
And then if you want to grab that cinnamon, we're just going to sprinkle the cinnamon right over the top, and we'll be almost all finished with our beautiful pumpkin trifle. So come in, grab some pumpkin bread tonight.
Delicious.
Yeah,
a little sprinkle.
Help give money to the local schools. We're excited to see everybody. And then I have a taste for you. Since you love pumpkin, can we grab this?
This day just got better and better, and of course we can come by any of your guys' locations. We can participate, and also we can just come and eat and enjoy. Where can we find you guys?
Yeah, Kneaders.com. You can find any of our locations. All 54 stores will be listed there.
I hope you weren't planning on me sharing, because this is all me.
You can have it.
Thank you so much, Amy.
Good to be with you.